In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Google Drive folder to another folder. First, open your web browser and head to Google. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, since you'll be moving a folder inside that account's drive. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. From the panel that opens, choose Drive. This takes you straight to My Drive, where all your files and folders live. Once Drive is open, find the folder you want to move. You don't need to open it, just point to it. To the right of the folder name, click the 3 vertical dots. That's the More Actions menu for this folder. A menu will appear with several options. Move your mouse over, Organize. A side menu expands, and here you'll click Move. This opens the Move window, which is where you pick the new home for your folder. In the Move window, you'll see a list of locations, such as My Drive and any folders you've created. In this panel, the left sidebar mirrors your drive structure. You can expand My Drive or, if your account uses them, shared drives, then click the small arrows to reveal nested folders without leaving the dialog. Browse to the destination where you want this folder to live. If the folder you want isn't immediately visible, double-click into parent folders to open them until you reach the exact spot. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the right place. This helps keep your drive tidy and easy to navigate later. When you've highlighted the destination folder, click Move. If Drive needs a final confirmation, especially if the folder contains shared items or is jumping between areas, you'll see a prompt. Click Move again to confirm. Drive will process the change, and you'll see a brief notification at the bottom of the screen. Your folder now appears in the new location, with its contents intact and any sharing settings it already had preserved. Nothing is duplicated. Drive simply updates the folder's path. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you don't see a destination, you may not have permission to move content there. Moving requires at least edit access in that location. If you changed your mind right away, look for the undo prompt in the notification to instantly reverse the move. And remember, if you picked the wrong location, you can repeat these same steps and move it again. Organizing folders periodically makes it much easier to find and maintain your files over time. That's it. Your folder has been successfully moved to another folder in Google Drive.